Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 8i and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example, in messages. It doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to simply find the settings, and you can do it just by tapping on this three dot icon in the right upper corner of the keyboard and enter the settings. Now let's tap on the languages on the very first position, and as you can see here we've got the list of currently added languages. We've got only English right now, and under it we've got some pre-installed languages. So if you will find the language you'd like to set here, that's cool. If not, no worries, just scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the option all languages, and after tapping on it, let me tap on it, you will be transferred to actually you will be able to open the full list of all available languages. So that's cool. And all you have to do is to simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick the graphical one. Let's say, let me pick maybe Arabic. Can I find the Arabic one? Or Turkish or Greek? It can be Greek. So just tap on the one you would like to set and to wait until it will be downloaded. And as you can see here, we can pick the layouts. Sometimes you will have much more keyboards to choose from. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon here. After going back to the very top of the list, you can see that the Greek has been immediately applied to the list of our languages. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And of course here we've got layouts. Okay, and as you can see here we've got let's say regular keyboard, but we've got one difference. So on this, the spacebar is not empty anymore. We've got the name of the language we are currently using. So right now we can easily type in English, but if you would like to change the keyboard layout, just tap on the three dots icon and tap on layouts. And as you can see here, you've got the English, and you can switch to the Greek one. If you'd like to set the Greek one right now as your keyboard, just tap on the stick icon here, and you can go back actually immediately and automatically go back with the Greek keyboard, Greek layout applied. So this is how to change the language and actually how to add new language. So now let me show you how to remove the language from the list and leave only one. So let's tap on the three dot icon again, tap on the settings. Let's enter the languages, and we have to focus on your languages. So decide which language you would like to remove. In my case it would be Greek. So first of all we have to tap on the switcher here, and of course it will be not active. Just after tapping on it you can see that we've got empty spacebar, so even in the layouts probably we cannot switch to the Greek because it is turned off. But if you'd like to remove it completely from this list, just tap on it, go to the settings again, and as you can see we've got the information long press to delete, so we have to just tap on it and hold it, and your device will ask you if you really want to remove it from this list. So just tap on delete, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your HUAWEI Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.